So I'm here with Imad. Imad, would you like to tell us a bit about yourself?
Yeah, I'm Imad Yanni. I'm a principal group program manager in the Dynamics CRM team, and I'm mostly focused on online, CRM online.
Yep.
Specifically into the integration to the whole online platform, such as the commerce platform, provisioning platform, etc.
Yeah, fantastic. So how long have you been working at Microsoft?
Since 1998.
Wow. And have you always been in the Dynamics team?
No, I've been in other teams as well. So
Okay.
I've been in Windows, Office, I've been in Link, what became Link,
Yep.
I've been in hardware, and now Dynamics.
Yeah. I suppose it's a leading question, but are you pretty excited about the direction Dynamics is taking?
Absolutely. This last year and a half have been extremely exciting. Between all the product improvements,
Yeah.
new features, and acquisitions,
Yeah.
it's becoming a real competitive, exciting product.
Yeah. So it's a definitely exciting time from our side of things. So MVPs that are involved in the Dynamics community, you've met a few of them. What's your recommendation to MVPs to, if you like, what do you see as their role in their engagement with the product team?
I think their role is to evangelize all the new features and the capabilities of the product, especially how all these different new services come together, like
Yeah.
social listening, the new customer care, the latest acquisition, Purchase at some point, and Dynamics marketing. Those make an extremely, once put together the right way, they make an extremely successful customer that will make their customer successful. So.
Fantastic. Okay, just to wrap up, is there anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, what I'd like to add is that online is coming together where the new services will be running under the same platform. So your users are in the same place, they're managed together in the same place, they're licensed together, your service health is in the same place, provisioning all happens in the same place and together with Office 365. And that makes a very compelling online environment for our customers.
Yeah. So actually I'll add another question there then leading from that, is that if a customer is considering going on-premise as opposed to online, what would your encouragement be to them as the platform of choice that they should go?
I mean, we offer choice, so depending on the customer's needs and their environment, they may go on-premise or online. Online is becoming a real enterprise-grade solution that we have now that we have the ability to do, in addition to the unified experience and the unified management, the ability to do directory synchronization, AD federation, are making online a real viable choice.
Yeah.
But the choice between on-prem and online will be eventually the customer's choice, and we do offer the choice.
Yeah, exactly. But let's say all things being equal, and a customer could either go online or on-prem. There was no, they were unfazed, if you like. Which way would the recommendation be? Definitely online first.
Well, online offers things that are available to customers because of the online value proposition. So lower total cost of ownership, lower, faster deployments, always fresh, always upgraded.
Yeah.
So it offers economies of scale, and now we offer customers the ability to just add new instances of CRM online, so they can actually do real enterprise development and new exciting features coming up soon.
Yeah, exactly.
Online is becoming a very good choice.
Yeah. Excellent. Thanks so much for taking this interview.
You're welcome. Thank you.